The house is now under roof, so it's what we call weather tight. And what we need to do to finish up that phase of the construction is installing the doors and windows. So come on and let's go check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Francisca Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and welcome to episode 3 of Dream Home Diaries. Today, I'm going to be showing you everything about windows and doors. That's what they're installing today. Now, you are going to see with these modern designs that we create, the windows and the doors play a big role in the aesthetics of the home. You're going to see some very large door openings and some really big window openings. And it's what creates that modern feel, that indoor-outdoor flow, the natural light coming into the home. The windows and the doors play a big role. And today the crew is here installing them. It's going to take a couple of days. They need a lift. Some of these windows and doors are quite heavy, so it is a little bit of a production, but you're going to see the before and after, and it's really transformational. Typically, our homes have anywhere from 80 to 150 windows. I know that's a lot, but one of the rules of thumbs that we use in our design team is to have double amount of windows and exterior doors and half the amount of doors inside the house. So you're going to see once we start doing the finished space of the house, there's very few walls and very few interior doors. Yet, we have a lot of windows and doors on the exterior of the house, because that's how you create that indoor-outdoor flow. The type of windows that we like to use in our designs is called a combination of a picture window with a casement and an awning. And so let me explain a little bit about what that looks like. So a lot of the windows are very big, and so they don't all need to open. So we are very strategic about which windows are going to open and which windows are just going to be a picture, because we just want the windows to open that are strategically placed to create that air circulation in the home. However, everything else can just be large picture window. And same strategy we use for the doors. You know, it's a combination of multi-slide doors, 5-fold doors, large format doors, sliders, and then you have a lot of picture panels. So again, not everything has to open. We're very strategic about making the doors slide and open wherever needed, but we still keep glass as a panel on the sides that don't need to open. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.